Welcome to DelftStack. Today, I will show you how to change the color of an image in Canva using simple tools. First, open your design in Canva and click on the image you want to edit. Once the image is selected, go to the top menu and click on Edit Photo. Now choose Adjust. Here you will see different sliders like Temperature, Tint, and Saturation. Move the temperature slider to make the image warmer or cooler. Use Tint to shift colors between green and magenta. Adjust saturation to make colors stronger or softer. This method is useful when you want to change the overall look of your image. Next, for more precise editing, use the Color Edit option. Select your image, go to Edit Photo, then Adjust. Go down and find Color Edit. Click on it and choose a specific color from your image. After selecting the color, you can change its hue, saturation, and brightness. This allows you to replace or modify a single color without affecting the rest of the image. Another simple method is using a color overlay. Go to Elements and add a square or rectangle shape. Resize it to cover your entire image. Then change the color of the shape to any color you like. After that, reduce the transparency of the shape from the top menu. This creates a tinted effect over your image. Thanks for watching.